Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the developing insect resistance in plants. So, Bacillus thuringiensis, commonly known as Bt, is a bacterium that occurs naturally in the soil. So, biotechnologists have known that some strains of Bt produce proteins that kill certain insects with alkaline digestive tracts. So there are many types of Bt. Each targets different insect groups. Like they can target mosquitoes, they can target caterpillars, they can target moths. When these insects ingest the protein produced by Bt, the function of their digestive systems is disrupted, producing slow growth and ultimately death. Bt was first identified in 1911 when it was discovered that it killed the larvae of floor moths. Bt was registered as a biopesticide in the US in 1961. Bt and biotechnology. Today, plants can be genetically engineered to produce their own Bt. Genetic engineering is the modification of DNA molecules to produce changes in plants, animals, and other organisms. DNA technology makes it possible to locate the gene that produces Bt proteins lethal to insects and transfer the gene into crop plants. The process is depicted in this figure. So, this is the Bt gene, this is the marker gene. Both are joined together, and this structure is showing this that both are joined. So, Bt gene that produces the desired lethal proteins is joined to a marker gene for antibiotic resistance. So, when that is joined, then Bt gene and marker gene is inserted into plant cells. Plant cells are grown in the presence of the antibiotic. Cells that carry the Bt gene and antibiotic resistance gene survive and grown into plants. So, by this way we can say that first of all, what is marker gene? So, marker gene is a gene. So, we can say there is a marker gene that allows plant breeders to easily determine which plants have been transformed. So, these markers are used to identify specific region of a gene associated on a particular chromosome. So, the Bt gene with the resistance gene attached is inserted into plant cells. At this point, scientists must determine which plant cells have successfully received the Bt gene and are now transformed. Any plant cell that has Bt gene must have the resistance gene that was attached to it. So, these genetically transformed plant cells are then grown into whole plants by a process called tissue culture. So, finally, the modified plants produce the same lethal Bt protein produced by Bt bacteria because the plants now have the same genes. So, by this way we can say that finally the modified plants is produced here. So, this topic is done today.